2023 is a year of AI, where a lot of AI startups have completely changed the game. So, in this video, we're gonna share 5 interesting facts about AI startups. Did you know that in 2022 alone, AI startups have attracted 47 billions in private sector fundings?
There were 524 fresh AI startups launched in the US, while ChatGPT only made its debut last year.
Well, this trend is new to venture capitalists.
Since 2013, America has been pouring nearly $215 billion into 4,643 AI ventures.
So, we're talking about serious profit possibilities here. The question is putting money into AI startups worth it?
Well, the numbers suggest a big potential payoff. Generative AI revenue from $14 billion in 2020 to nearly $900 billion in 2023, and it's expected to rise significantly with a forecast for more than $1.3 trillion in 2032.
The AI landscape is evolving at a rapid pace, and the future looks incredibly promising. In a striking revelation, the AI market size in 2030 is projected to be approximately 8 times larger than it was in 2023.
When it comes to AI startup funding, there are two giants stand on top of the rest: United States and China.
The USA has been leading the charge since 2013, showing remarkable commitment by investing nearly $215 billion in a grand total of 4,643 AI companies.
The story gets even more exciting when it comes to recent developments.
In just 2022, the US saw the birth of 524 new AI startups, collectively securing an astonishing $47 billion in funding from non-government sources. On the other side of the globe, China was making its mark, boasting an impressive average corporate investment of $71 million for each of its 116 newly founded AI startups in the same year. This AI investment race isn't confined to just these two giants, though. Data from the AI Index 2023 annual report reveals the top 10 countries shaping the AI investment landscape. Alongside the US and China, countries like the UK, Israel, Canada, France, India, Japan, Germany, and Singapore are racing to secure their positions in AI funding leaderboards. With innovation and investment being the driving forces in the world of artificial intelligence, this competitive race promises to redefine the future of technology and business on a global scale.
So I would say the landscape of AI revolution is more dynamic than ever.
In 2022, AI investments expanded into many industries. Topping the chart, healthcare sector stood out with an astonishing $6.1 billion in global AI investment in 2022. AI in healthcare has a wide range of use cases, from tools that read medical images to models that predict and help prevent diseases. Data management, processing, and cloud services secured a substantial $5.9 billion in investment. These AI-powered solutions are streamlining operations and transforming how companies manage and leverage massive data sets, leading to smarter choices and improved productivity. Fintech also made a strong showing, drawing in more than $5.5 billion in investment. AI's ability to analyze complex financial data, spot trends, and automate tasks has made it particularly appealing in this sector. Fintech firms are using AI to provide tailored financial services, detect fraud, and improve customer experiences. For cybersecurity and data protection, $5.4 billion was invested, underscoring AI's crucial role in strengthening security and reducing risks. AI-powered systems are vital in quickly identifying and preventing cyber threats and protecting sensitive data. Lastly, the retail sector experienced substantial growth, with $4.2 billion in investments in 2022. Generative AI, in particular, is transforming retail marketing and customer support. It enables personalized shopping experiences and the creation of engaging content that connects with customers. These investments reflect the remarkable adaptability of AI across a range of industries, providing practical solutions to intricate problems through technologies like with chatbots, image-generating AI, mobile apps, and more.
Which brings us to some important part of AI technology. Let's talk about AI content generation.
Artificial intelligence is a broad term that refers to any technology that makes machines perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. It can range from simple algorithms capable of sorting data to more advanced systems that can mimic human-like thought processes. Generative AI, on the other hand, takes this step further by generating new content, including text, images, music, or even videos. These AIs are trained on large datasets and employ machine learning algorithms and neural networks. If you are interested in learning more about AI, you may check out this video where we discussed all the concepts and deep dive into everything you need to know about AI.
AI is a powerful tool for content generation, so there are large portions of AI startups are focusing on leveraging generative AI to build tools to make our modern workflow more productive.
Except for some companies are focusing on AI models and research, such as OpenAI. Google's DeepMind focuses on AI research, aiming to unlock AI's advanced capabilities. Hugging Face offers AI-powered natural language processing NLP models and tools. Other AI companies are focusing on the wheel of the ecosystem. Text generation, it can generate text for articles and blog posts, crafting captivating product descriptions, news, and stories, such as Jasper AI, making it very easy for copywriting. Image generation. When it comes to visuals, AI-driven image generation is a cost-effective solution, whether crafting illustrations from scratch or enhancing existing images such as Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Those are making difference in visual arts and graphic design, or even generating 3D models such as CSM AI, which I can totally see how it can make a difference in e-commerce world. Video generation combines existing footage, images, and AI text-to-speech technology. YouTube also announced a new generative AI-powered tool called Dream Screen. TikTok and Instagram are actively developing similar tools for their creators. AI also offers audio generation, text-to-speech, and music composition, creating podcasts and tunes. Tech giants such as Meta introduced AudioCraft, a generative AI tool for audio and music. In the world of software development, AI offers code generation by providing code snippets, scripts, tailored to specific requirements, such as GitHub Copilot and Google Duo AI. Startup success has traditionally and widely held belief that entrepreneurial success is primarily the domain of young founders in their 20s. However, in 2018, a Harvard research team challenged this belief. Contrary to popular opinion, the research reveals that
the average age of successful startup founders falls between 35 and 45.
The study showcases that experience industry knowledge, and a mature perspective are crucial to achieving entrepreneurial success. Compared to younger founders, older founders often have a deeper understanding of their industry. They've been building viable networks over the years, and they have more mature interpersonal skills, which give them an unfair advantage in navigating the challenges of business initiation and growth. Most unicorn founders are over the age of 45, whereas 200 unicorn founders in the US used to be Fortune 500 executives, including Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI.
It's never too late to start a business.
Starting your own business can be overwhelming, from product development to financial planning, legal considerations, and outsourcing. That's why we're launching the Innovation Strategist newsletter to support you. It's packed with weekly tips and inspiring entrepreneurial stories. Like your trusted companion, offering guidance and support every step of the way to help you overcome startup challenges. It's launching at the beginning of 2024, so join our waitlist now. The link is in the description down below.
If you enjoyed this content, feel free to share your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below. I will be making an AI startup series decoding AI strategies of some of the most successful companies on the planet. That playlist will be here. Check out my other videos, the playlist is here. Thanks very much for watching. Turn notifications and subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. This is Cloud West. My name is Melanie. I will see you in the next one.